Hello, my name is Lucy Lester Barrio Orozco. Presentation Mount Everest. At an elevation of 29,028 feet, 8,848 meters, about sea level, Mount Everest is the world's tallest mountain. Mount Everest is relatively young, having before only 60 million years ago, and it is still growing and few millionaires every year. Mount Everest is the mountain ridge called the Himalayas. The summit ridge of Mount Everest separates Nepal and Tibet. Each place has a special name for this giant mountain. The Nepalese name is Sagarmatha, which means God of the sky. The Tibetan name is Chomolungma, which means Mother Goddess of the universe. In English, Mount Everest is the next author Sir Geoff Everest, the first person to record the height and location of the mountain. A climb to the summit was attempted by George Mallory in 1922, who famously has his reason for wanting to climb Everest as because in the dirt. His attempt to reach the summit again in the company of Andrew Everett in the 1924, but and these three boats climber disappeared. The first successful ascent and descent of Mount Everest was accomplished by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tension Norgate on May 29, 1953. The first ascent by a grand bus and mine system 1975 by Junko Tabi from Japan. Between 1921 and 2007, of the 2,000 people jumped flight Mount Everest, some more than once since the first ascent. In 1950, more than 600 flyers from 20 different countries had reached the summit. However, over 200 climbers have died attempting to climb Mount Everest, commonly from avalanche, but also from falls in crevasses called of high altitude sicknesses. Thank you. Bye bye.